Good day mga kapasyal! Shoutout sa mga student ng St. Camillus Healthcare Institute, especially sa mga caregiving NC2 students. Dito sila sa Mamitas Private Resort ng closing party, for sure hindi sila nagsisi. Kwarto pa lang, we made sure everything is neat and clean para sa mga guests nating mga beauty queen. And part of inclusions ng iyong babayaran ay free use of ref, free wifi, kitchen utensils, free use ng stove, basta hindi ka magluluto ng bulalo, griller para sa evening party, and syempre may free 5 gallons ng water. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out is 12 p.m. with the whole 21 hours of fun, swimming, and laughter. Napakamura and sulit ng place dahil you can bring 15 friends for only 10,000 pesos and 12,500 for 30 packs. Diba sulit? Sobrang safe ng place dahil gated ang resort, and we make sure na nakalock ang area before 12 a.m. for security of our guests. Napakalaki din ng parking, siguradong wala ka nang iisipin dahil wala sa kalsada ang iyong sasakyan. And party all night with video kaya nakabog ipakita ang iyong singing talent. Then the next morning, enjoy the free breakfast courtesy of Mamita dahil lahat kayo alaga ng ina. At tinanong natin ang cute na si Joanne bakit napili nila ang Mamita.
Maganda po yung place, at the same time maluwang, pet friendly, tsaka friendly sa mga kids. Malinis po yung pool at tsaka very accommodating po yung
And we also ask ang bibo na si Rose.
I-share ko lang po about sa experience namin dito. Fantastic. The police was really good, not really cold. And the view and the gardening is really nice also.
So next time you want a staycation with fun that will last, check out Mamita's Private Resort and let's go!
Got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round.